Should I pass order in your favor when you are coming
Your
to
Lordship,
India
on
after
the
5
side
years?
Your Lordship may see page number 24, my Lordship, which is in a charge sheet.
Where did this lady say that she has entered into compromise? Page number?
I am the petitioner, Lordship. Page number 24.
You are the petitioner husband.
Yes, my Lordship.
Where did the wife say she is remarried?
They haven't filed any counter, my Lordship. Divorce certificate is on page number 27, my Lordship. Divorce certificate
When
is on
was charge sheet filed? 2000?
2000, yes, my Lordship. And whereas the marriage was held on 22 to 2010, my Lordship. On page number 24, last fourth line, my Lordship. But her husband was not present in India. At the time when he was not present in India, this complaint was
I
lodged
can
and
understand, but how long these people can take
Please-
Indian law for granted? For
Your
after
Lordship.
5 years, you will come to India.
till then, like he was engaged in his job itself, my Lordship.
So he will be engaged in job. He will also contest as president of USA.
Your Lordship, he is in
498
Dubai.
case in India is important. Then elections in America. He has to come to India. That's all.
We have been contacting with them, my Lordship.
We have married.
Amic-
Marriage will have positive and negative things also.
Yes.
Everyone who is marrying should also be aware of maintenance case, DVC case, 498 case.
My
Without
humble
having
submission
knowledge
is,
of all
Lordship.
these things, you should not marry. Wherever he is in any part of the world, he has to come to India.
For coming,
498 is not offense in USA
Your
or
Lordship,
Dubai. It is offense in India. He has to come.
Your Lordship, for coming
For
India, my
your
Lordship.
sake, how many times the police constable and investigation officer might have gone from the police station? Will you bear the petrol cost and the
Your Lordship,
expenditure incurred by
were
the
well-
government for 5 years?
Your Lordship, they were well aware that he was not present in India when they have just lodged the FIR. And
Today, you don't have apprehension of arrest. I can understand if it was non-bailable offense, 41 is not there. Even when you know that you cannot be arrested, why people are not coming to India? Why should I give the facility of
Your Lordship,
you are coming as a VIP now?
Your Lordship, same day
In the
on
airport, you should not be stopped. Why should I give you that facility?
Your Lordship, on page
Tell
number
me.
25, my Lordship, it has been clearly stated that on 10/4/2020,
5 years, the lady might have suffered so much. You should understand.
within 1 year, my Lordship, they haven't informed us. Now, on page number 25, my Lordship, last paragraph. Later on 10/4/2020, the LW 14 prepared a requisition to kind CP Ramgundam with a request to issue a lookout circular LOC accordingly.
CC number 370 of 21, pending trial on the file of JFCM Bellanpilli arising out of crime number. Petitioner intends to appear before so and cooperate in the trial and inquiry. The petitioner apprehends that on his arrival in Hyderabad airport, he would be detained by the immigration authorities as LOC is opened against the petitioner in connection with the CC number so and so. Heard learned counsel for petitioner, she filed implete petitioner.
Yes, my Lord. I have impleted them. Implete petition is.
Learned counsel for respondent number 4.
NBW is also pending, my Lordship.
Petitioner had been evading process of law for the past more than 5 years and absconding charge sheet has been filed against him. And NBWs are pending against the petition. Heard learned counsel petition, learned counsel respondent number 4. Considering that petitioner had been staying in Dubai even prior to registration of crime number 102 of 2019 of so and was shown as absconding when charge sheet was filed. LOC opened against the petitioner in connection with so is suspended for a period of 1 month.
Your Lordship, even after obtaining the orders, my Lordship, I have to take permission for the leave, my Lordship.
Yes, I am passing that order. That will be a usual order. I will not grant. Only one time entry I will grant. Second time onwards,
Last
the
occasion,
magistrate.
last occasion, Your Lordship has just granted the
I have
entry.
granted.
In
Why are you asking again?
other case, my Lordship, for accused number 2. And because of this implete petition, my Lordship, it has got delayed. Already we have just taken the tickets and all. So for further orders, it may be, my Lordship.
No further orders. Only one formula in this court. Gulf countries, 1 month. America,
After coming-
UK, Australia. Because I have formula for all the Telugu people.
Your Lordship,
and
after
Hyderabad
coming,
people. Nothing.
we will,
2 months for US, Canada, and UK. Gulf and other countries, Singapore, 1 month.
Your Lordship, if I
I
intend to
cannot- I
travel
can
back,
use-
my Lordship, I'll
if
take
they want
permission
to
from
come,
the
let them
concerned court
come.
and I'll travel, my Lordship. If I intend to travel
Take
back.
permission of the magistrate and go back. Who is stopping you? The magistrate
So,
will grant
Your
permission.
Lordship may be
Delhi High Court
granted for
judgment
2
is
months,
there,
my
passed
Lordship.
over 10.
2 months, my Lordship.
First time entry, you will have problem. The court may not consider magistrate court. That's why first time, if you are coming from outside to India, I am granting. Second time, I am not granting.
Till January, my
Except
Lordship. Till January first week, my
meeting
Lordship.
relatives in foreign countries, if they are terminally ill or marriage, others I will not. Otherwise, everyone will come to High Court. I cannot.
At least December
Within this
second
time,
week,
the
my Lordship.
petitioner shall appear so and so and file application for recall of warrants if any pending, non-available or if any pending. The petitioner intends to travel back to Dubai or any other country. The necessary application shall be filed before the magistrate, and if petitioner is granted permission, the LOC opened against the petitioner shall be suspended from time to time for the corresponding period.
Your Lordship, humble submission, my
The
Lordship.
petitioner shall furnish undertaking before so and so court.
Your
I will
Lordship,
direct the trial to be completed within 2 months. Stay in India.
Your Lordship, on page number 33, my Lordship, Your Lordship has just passed an order where his presence is not required for recalling the warrant, my Lordship.
I
We'll
will not
recall the
pass.
warrant.
Don't compare with other case. 5 years, after 5 years, this man is.
We'll recall the warrant, my Lordship. Let the LOC may be suspended, my Lordship. We'll come and settle that issue, my Lordship.
I cannot. You are showing your other order in this case. If I pass this order in the next case, you will show these two orders.
Your Lordship, in this case, if LOC is
Exceptional
suspended,
is
my Lordship,
exceptional. Don't show me orders, earlier orders.
Your Lordship,
Every case is different.
humble submission, my Lordship. If even LOC is pending, suspended, my Lordship, they will execute the NBW, my Lordship.
What can I do?
Your
I can
Lordship,
give
I may
guarantee
be
for
permitted
everything.
I may be permitted to move 70 clause 2, my Lordship, in absence
Yes,
of the
sir.
petitioner. It was not mentioned.
Mentioned already. My order will be there even without asking. I said,
In absence of him, my Lordship, I may
no, not
permit.
in absence. That facility will be given. There is only one judgment. of
Unless
justice.
until I,
There
Your
is
Lordship,
nothing stated in CRPC, only one judgment of Justice Reddappa Reddy, that's all.
Your Lordship,
This
these orders were
court will
passed by
go
Your
by
Lordship
the
itself.
nature of offence and the conduct of the parties.
In
If
apprehension
you are
of,
so liberal, the parties will never respect the
Your Lordship, my humble submission.
police system and investigation. Because of 41A, now this confusion has
My
arisen.
humble
We
submission,
cannot
my
keep
Lordship.
on dragging these trials
Your
like this.
Lordship, in same offence, 498, my Lordship, on page number 33 to 33E, my Lordship, I was the counsel and Your Lordship had just passed the similar orders, my Lordship, in absence of, there was an apprehension of arrest, my Lordship. Your Lordship, if Your Lordship has just suspended the LOC, my Lordship, they will execute NBW, my Lordship. Again, you will
In
be
that case
lost.
also, you were staying in Dubai for 5 years?
No, he was just absconding for the investigation, my Lordship.
This is the longest period I have seen till now.
Only one humble submission, my Lordship. Let it be, Your Lordship. I will. I
I
will
am
move a
not saying
petition 70 clause 2, my Lordship.
72 petition in the presence or without presence. I am not saying anything. You take advantage of the judgment and
Deeply
file it.
obliged.
Why you want that to be included in the order?
Already it was included in the earlier
No,
judgment.
I am
my
not.
Lordship.
Such orders cannot be passed.
Copy
Yes,
went to
Mr.
him.
Masudan Reddy, same order I passed. You are, she is remarried.
I am not aware of the facts. Just now, from that, my mentioning the matter today. Just recently I filed my wakala. But that order, Your Lordship is relying upon one order passed by Your
If
Lordship.
she
I
is
have not-
remarried, I'll pass that order.
Tomorrow, Your Lordship, me will get instructions.
No, I don't. Waste.
Yes. Your Lordship.
Not tomorrow.
Your Lordship, already she is divorced and we have just come.
I told you I am not
Amicably,
concerned
we
about
just- we
divorced
will
wife is also entitled for
Even Your
maintenance.
Lordship passed this order, my Lordship. He is going to get apprehended on
In your
executing
case, only
NBW,
if she
my
is
Lordship.
remarried, I'll pass that order. See, people should have some fear of this criminal investigation. Otherwise, everything will become a mere, ritual. People will run away
I'm
to
just seeking
Dubai,
only,
and after charge sheet is filed, they'll come back.
Your
Even
Lordship,
though
only I'm seeking 70.
And now
72 may
people
be
have
filed in
become so
his absence.
intelligent, you might be thinking what I am saying is casual. There is no visa to Dubai now. So when criminal case is registered, this man will go to airport and directly take flight.
Passports will be at the lower courts, with the trial courts, my Lordship.
Very
Now.
easy in Dubai. I know. Passports will be kept.
Well-
How much time it will take for you to get a job? You will get a job. So even if you are depositing passport at the reception in
Yes.
that hotel, Once you get a job, you will convert it into job visa. They will give it back.
Your Lordship, when he is not disputing, my Lordship, for his warrant may be recalled, my Lordship, in his absence, my Lordship.
No,
Only
no,
that relief
orders
I'm seeking.
cannot be passed. You file application,
Yes,
insist.
yes.
No,
You convince the court.
deeply obliged. Copy by today, my Lordship.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.